RDX English Learning.
Good evening.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant.
Do you have a table for two?
Yes, please follow me.
I have a reservation.
May I have your name, please?
The reservation is under John Smith.
Yes, we have it right here.
Do we need a reservation?
Not right now. We have tables available.
How long is the wait?
About 10 minutes.
Can we get a window seat?
I'll check availability.
Is outdoor seating available?
Yes, it is.
We're a group of 4.
Certainly. This way, please.
Is this a non-smoking restaurant?
Yes, it is.
Can we sit somewhere quiet?
Yes, I'll seat you in a quieter area.
Is this table okay?
Yes, it's perfect.
Can we change tables later?
If one becomes available, yes.
Are children allowed?
Yes, families are welcome.
Do you have high chairs?
Yes, we do.
Can we see the menu now?
Your server will bring it shortly.
Who will be serving us?
Your server will be with you soon.
Thank you for seating us.
You're welcome.
This place looks nice.
Thank you very much.
We're ready to dine.
Enjoy your meal.
May we see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Do you have separate lunch and dinner menus?
Yes, this is the dinner menu.
Is there a kids menu?
Yes, we have one.
Do you have a vegetarian menu?
Yes, vegetarian options are marked.
Do you have vegan options?
Yes, we do.
Are there any daily specials?
Yes, today's special is grilled salmon.
What is the chef's special today?
The chef recommends the steak.
Do you have a dessert menu?
Yes, I'll bring it later.
Can I get a drink menu?
Certainly.
Are prices listed on the menu?
Yes, they are.
Is this menu gluten-free friendly?
Yes, some items are gluten-free.
Can I get an allergy-friendly menu?
Yes, we can help with that.
Are the specials available all day?
Yes, while supplies last.
Do you have pictures of the dishes?
Yes, on the digital menu.
Can you explain the menu briefly?
Sure, I'd be happy to.
Is the menu seasonal?
Yes, we change it seasonally.
Can I order from the lunch menu now?
No, lunch service has ended.
Do you have combo meals?
Yes, we do.
Can we take a few minutes to decide?
Take your time.
Thanks for the menu.
You're welcome.
What are you thinking of ordering?
I'm considering the pasta.
I'm vegetarian. What do you recommend?
The veggie stir-fry is popular.
Do you have any gluten-free options?
Yes, several dishes are gluten-free.
Is this dish spicy?
It's mildly spicy.
I prefer non-spicy food.
We can make it mild.
Does this dish contain nuts?
No, it doesn't.
I'm allergic to dairy.
We can adjust the dish.
Which dish is best for dinner?
The grilled chicken is a good choice.
Can I substitute fries with salad?
Yes, you can.
I want something light.
Try the soup or salad.
Is the portion size large?
Yes, it's quite filling.
Is this dish healthy?
Yes, it's low in oil.
Can I customize the dish?
Yes, within reason.
Do you have low-carb options?
Yes, we do.
What's popular among customers?
The grilled salmon.
Is this dish good for kids?
Yes, kids love it.
Can I share this dish?
Yes, that's fine.
I'm ready to order.
Great, I'll take your order.
Can we order starters first?
Absolutely.
I think I've decided.
Perfect.
What ingredients are in this dish?
It has chicken, garlic, onions, and herbs.
Does this contain nuts?
No, it doesn't.
I have a peanut allergy.
Thank you for telling us. We'll be careful.
Is this dish dairy-free?
Yes, it is.
Does it contain cheese?
Yes, it has mozzarella.
Can you remove the cheese?
Yes, we can.
How spicy is this dish?
It's medium spicy.
Can you make it less spicy?
Yes, we can make it mild.
Is this dish very spicy?
It has a little heat.
Does this contain garlic?
Yes, it does.
I'm allergic to shellfish.
Then I don't recommend this dish.
Are there any raw ingredients?
No, everything is fully cooked.
Is this dish vegan?
No, it contains butter.
Can you suggest a nut-free option?
Yes, the grilled chicken is nut-free.
Does this sauce contain alcohol?
No, it doesn't.
Is the food cooked fresh?
Yes, everything is made fresh.
Can I see the ingredient list?
I can explain it to you.
Does this have eggs in it?
Yes, it does.
I'm sensitive to spices.
We'll prepare it very mild.
Thanks for explaining the ingredients.
You're welcome.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are.
What would you like to start with?
We'll start with soup.
I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
Sure.
How would you like it cooked?
Medium well, please.
Can I get the steak?
Of course.
What sides come with it?
Fries and salad.
Can I change the side dish?
Yes, you can.
I'll have the pasta.
Would you like it spicy or mild?
Mild, please.
Got it.
What would you like to drink?
I'll have a soda.
Do you serve alcohol?
Yes, we do.
I'll take a glass of red wine.
Sure.
Can I get water as well?
Still or sparkling?
Still water, please.
Coming right up.
Would you like any appetizers?
Yes, garlic bread.
That's all for now.
Great. I'll place your order.
Can we order dessert later?
Absolutely.
Please make it not too spicy.
No problem.
Can I get this to share?
Yes, that's fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's the chef's special today?
The chef recommends the grilled salmon,
What's the most popular dish here?
the ribeye steak,
What do you recommend for first-time visitors?
our signature pasta.
Is there a dish everyone loves?
Yes, the butter chicken,
Can you suggest something healthy?
the grilled vegetables with fish,
What's good for kids?
the mac and cheese,
Any vegetarian recommendations?
the mushroom risotto,
What pairs well with red wine?
steak or lamb,
Do you recommend any appetizers?
the bruschetta,
What's your personal favorite?
the house burger,
Is there something spicy you recommend?
the chili chicken,
What's best for a light meal?
the Caesar salad.
Any seasonal specialties?
Yes, pumpkin soup,
What dessert do you recommend?
the chocolate lava cake.
Is the chef's special available all day?
Yes, while supplies last.
What's good for sharing?
The mixed platter,
Can you suggest a budget-friendly dish?
the chicken bowl.
Is this dish spicy?
It's medium spicy.
I'll go with your suggestion.
Great choice.
Thanks for the recommendation.
My pleasure.
How long will our food take?
About 15 to 20 minutes?
Is our order being prepared?
Yes, it's in the kitchen now.
Can you check on our order, please?
Sure, I'll check right away.
We've been waiting a while.
I'm sorry for the wait. It'll be out soon.
Is the restaurant busy today?
Yes, it's a bit crowded right now.
Can we get some bread while we wait?
Of course.
Will our food come together?
Yes, everything will be served at the same time.
Is the appetizer almost ready?
Yes, it should be out shortly.
Can we get our drinks refilled?
Absolutely.
Why is the food taking longer?
The kitchen is very busy. Sorry about that.
Can we speed up the order?
We'll try our best.
Is the food made fresh?
Yes, everything is cooked fresh.
Will you let us know when it's ready?
Yes, I'll bring it right over.
Our kids are getting hungry.
I understand. I'll check again.
Can the kids' meals come first?
Yes, we can do that.
Is there any delay with our order?
Just a few more minutes.
Thanks for keeping us updated.
You're welcome.
Can we cancel one item if it's delayed?
Yes, that's possible.
Is the food almost ready?
Yes, it's being plated.
Great, thank you.
My pleasure.
Excuse me, this isn't what I ordered.
I'm very sorry. Let me fix that.
I ordered chicken, not beef.
I apologize for the mistake.
My food is cold.
I'm sorry. I'll replace it.
This dish is too salty.
I'm sorry about that. We'll remake it.
I've been waiting too long.
We apologize for the delay.
My drink tastes strange.
I'll get you a new one.
This isn't cooked properly.
I'm sorry. I'll inform the kitchen.
I asked for no spice.
Sorry about that. We'll correct it.
This is not what I expected.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Can you change this dish?
Yes, of course.
My order is missing an item.
I'll bring it right away.
The portion size is too small.
I understand your concern.
This food doesn't taste fresh.
I'm sorry. We'll check it.
I found something in my food.
I apologize. I'll take care of it.
Can I speak to the manager?
Yes, I'll call them.
This is not what I asked for.
I'm sorry for the confusion.
Please take this back.
Of course.
Thank you for fixing the issue.
You're welcome.
I appreciate the quick response.
We're glad to help.
Everything is fine now.
I'm happy to hear that.
The food tastes amazing.
Thank you so much.
I really enjoyed my meal.
We're glad to hear that.
Compliments to the chef.
I'll pass that on.
The service has been excellent.
Thank you. We appreciate it.
Everything was perfect.
That's wonderful to hear.
The flavors are great.
Thank you.
Our server was very attentive.
We're happy you noticed.
The food was served quickly.
We're glad it met your expectations.
The restaurant has a nice atmosphere.
Thank you very much.
I'll definitely come back.
We look forward to seeing you again.
This dish is delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
The portion size was perfect.
Great to hear.
The staff is very friendly.
Thank you.
The presentation looks great.
The chef will be happy to hear that.
We had a great experience.
Thank you for dining with us.
The food exceeded my expectations.
That means a lot to us.
Everything tasted fresh.
We use fresh ingredients.
I have no complaints.
That's great to hear.
I'll recommend this place to friends.
We appreciate that.
Thank you for a lovely dinner.
You're very welcome.
Excuse me, may I get some water?
Of course. Still or sparkling?
Can we have extra napkins, please?
Sure, I'll bring them right away.
May I get another fork?
Yes, certainly.
Can you refill my water glass?
Absolutely.
I need a spoon as well.
No problem.
Could we get some extra plates?
Yes, for sharing?
Can I have some ketchup, please?
Sure, here you go.
May I get hot sauce?
Yes, we have several options.
Can you bring salt and pepper?
Of course.
I dropped my fork.
I'll replace it.
Can we get more bread?
Yes, coming right up.
May I have a knife, please?
Certainly.
Could you bring a high chair?
Yes, I'll get one.
Can I get a straw?
Yes.
We need an extra bowl.
No problem.
Can I have lemon with my water?
Sure.
May I get an extra glass?
Of course.
Can you clear these plates?
Yes, I'll take care of it.
Thanks for the quick help.
You're welcome.
That's all we need for now.
All right, let me know if you need anything else.
Can we get the bill, please?
Sure, I'll bring it right away.
Is service charge included?
No, it isn't.
Can we split the bill?
Yes, how many ways?
Please split it between the two of us.
Of course.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards.
Do you accept cash?
Yes, we do.
Can I use my credit card?
Absolutely.
Is tipping included?
Tips are not included.
How much should we tip?
Usually 15 to 20%.
Can I add the tip to the card?
Yes, you can.
Can we pay separately?
Yes, that's fine.
Is tax included in the bill?
Tax is added separately.
Could you explain this charge?
Certainly.
Can we get a receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Can I pay part cash and part card?
Yes, that's possible.
The bill seems incorrect.
Let me check it.
Everything looks fine now.
Great.
Please keep the change.
Thank you.
Here's the payment.
Thank you very much.
The bill is settled, right?
Yes, it's all paid.
Thank you for the wonderful service.
You're very welcome.
We really enjoyed our meal.
We're glad to hear that.
Everything was delicious.
Thank you so much.
Compliments to the chef.
I'll let the chef know.
We'll definitely come back.
We look forward to seeing you again.
This was our first visit.
We're happy you chose us.
Can we make a reservation for next time?
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you for accommodating us.
It was our pleasure.
The service was excellent.
Thank you for your kind words.
Have a great evening.
You too.
Where is the exit?
Right this way.
We'll recommend this place to friends.
We appreciate that.
Thanks for everything.
You're very welcome.
See you next time.
See you soon.
We had a lovely time.
That's wonderful to hear.
Can I take a menu for later?
Sure.
Thank you for the hospitality.
It was our pleasure.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
The atmosphere was great.
Thank you.
Until next time.
We'll be here.